Graveyard poets. Who are they? At what time they lived? On what they have written poems? Let's analyze. So, graveyard poets is a term applied to 18th century poets. They wrote meditative poems which usually have the setting of graveyard. So, the themes usually runs on morality and the moods which range from elegiac pensiveness to profound gloom. When we analyze the graveyard poets, the major figures that appear are Thomas Parnell, Edward Young, Robert Blair, Thomas Gray. So let's look the major work of each writers. Thomas Parnell has written Night Piece on Death, which was published in 1721. Edward Young wrote Night Thoughts, which was published in 1742, and Robert Blair wrote The Grave, published in 1743. On the other hand, the most famous writer, Thomas Gray, and his most famous poem, Elegy Written in a Country Churchyard, was published in 1751. Writing of graveyard poems spread from England to continental literature in the second part of the 18th century. It is represented in America by William Cullen Bryant's Thanatopsis, which was published in 1817. These writers, also known as Churchyard poets, a term given by William McNeill Dixon in 1898. So now, let's analyze some of the other poets who belong to the same category. They are Thomas Percy, Oliver Goldsmith, William Cowper, Christopher Smart, James Macpherson, etc. And when we analyze this movement, graveyard poets, one famous critic, Emile Louis Reed, has called graveyard poetry as a disease. So I hope that you have got some idea about graveyard poets. So in the next video, we can come up with some other interesting writers and literature content. Thank you.